it is okay. Yeah, when
Okay.
I start the camera, every time it's happened.
Yes. Actually, I am also new, so that's why I don't have more knowledge about it, how to use this app. So, hello, ma'am.
Hello, and very good afternoon.
Yeah,
And
good afternoon, ma'am.
yes,
How are you?
yeah, I am fine. And what about you?
I
How
am
have you been doing?
actually I am also hunky dory.
Thank you. Actually, how is your practice going on?
Actually, I made only 2, 3 videos, and now you are the third person when now I am making the video and I'm practicing here. So that's why I'm fresher, and also you can say I'm beginner.
Everyone like same. Someone 90%, someone 80%, someone 20%.
Yeah,
So you can say everyone is in the same boat.
yes.
Yeah.
So, and yes, please tell about yourself, ma'am,
Yes.
because I don't know about you.
Yes. Same here. So as you know, my name is Sandhya Tiwari, and earlier I was a teacher. Now I'm a completely homemaker, and I have two kids.
Okay,
Not
you have.
kids, sorry, not kid. They are grown up. They are pursuing their master degree.
Yeah, I watched your video when you were telling about your children, and they are doing masters. So that you told that you were the teacher. So in which class that you take class?
Yeah, I was a pre-primary children's teacher,
Sorry,
primary teacher,
pre-primary.
pre-primary.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, kids. Okay.
yes.
So, ma'am, where do you live?
Yeah, I'm currently talking to you from Maharashtra, Bombay.
Oh, you live
Basically,
in
I'm
Maharashtra.
situated in Thane, Maharashtra,
Okay, that's great. And now I belong to UP, but now I'm living in Delhi.
Delhi. Same
Yes.
here. I also belong to Delhi, UP. But after marriage, I have been in Bombay 24 years. Yeah.
Okay, that's
And
nice.
nowadays, only my hobby is learning this language. Again, you are not visible. Yes.
Sorry,
Now
sorry.
it's okay.
Somebody was calling me.
Okay. So could you introduce yourself as
Yeah.
we are meeting very first time?
Yes, yes. Ma'am, wait 1 second. Actually, 1 second. Actually, my children were sitting there. Yes, as you know already, my name is Nishi Sani. So now I have already told you that I belong to UP, but now I am living in Delhi. I have completed my MA and also BEd. So basically, I'm preparing government job, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube channel. So it is my short introduction.
Okay. So how type of video do you upload on your YouTube channel?
Okay, so like firstly, when I started this channel, so I uploaded bird meanings, so many bird meanings, and some sentences they are using in a daily life. Uh, they use in the daily life, and also now I'm trying to improving my English. So now I change the my motto, and this time I'm making videos, English related videos, means speaking videos. And I uploaded also grammar related videos, like some basic rules, and these are the things I I
Okay,
upload it.
you upload on your YouTube channel English content.
Yes, only English content I upload it.
Yes. Earlier you make video on grammar part, but now you starting uploading the conversational video.
Yes, now because it takes a lot of time. So that after making the video, it takes a lot, means a lot, like editing part. So and I want to also improve my English. So that's why this time I changed my mind, and promptly I decided that I will this time I need to change myself, and I need to improve my English. So like that's why now I'm practicing here, because I want to practice. So that's why.
So how long have you been learning this language?
Actually, like if I tell you, I have been learning this language last 1 2 years, but that was not focus on the at this language, and I was not giving more time. And if if I say in a simple way that I was not practicing, like sometime I gave the time, so that was not good. So if I'm not spending time 1 hour and 2 hours, so that's how can I learn this language. So I decided that this time I need to change myself, otherwise I will face many problems, because this time every field, so every field demands every fields demand to this language. And basically I already told you that I am a teacher, so now I need to improve myself, and my subject is my language subject is English. So when whatever, like I have knowledge, how much I knowledge about grammar, but if I don't have a focus and command on the English language, so it is worthless and it is wasteless. I'm not doing anything. So that's why I have to keep practice only at this language.
Yes, yes.
So today you
You
are the
know,
second. Yes.
yeah, if you don't know how to communicate in English with the teachers and parents and students, so 50% we should fail. We should think we fail.
Yes.
No, if we should consider ourselves, we fail 50%, then we get energy and we learn this language, and this is very significant for any teacher, not only one. But I have heard all the women why they choose teaching profession.
Actually, I don't know, but if I tell about me, like since childhood, I always like to I used to like red pen. So and so that's why I choose this profession. And like it is a short time period. If I say that women, they want to they have lots of burden, and so that's why they choose this profession. They can give the time their family, and also they can do everything, like they go to school half an hour, sorry, not half an hour, half day, like
Half day,
to
yes.
at yeah. So and after
Half day
two,
for only for one batch. Only for
yeah,
one batch.
yeah, and they can do many things, whatever they want to do, I think, according to me. So that's why they choose, and it is a safe zone, and they connect to people, connect to students, I think.
Yes. Actually, I think that is not the reason. Uh, because many people very fond of teaching. They like, and almost ladies sometimes they feel comfortable themselves. and that is the respectful job.
Yeah,
As
that's why.
well, as well, you can manage your house. So, and we connected, we passionate about the teaching profession. That's why. Otherwise, if you don't have a passion of teaching, so you can't connect with the students.
Yeah, and yeah, I had passion, so that's why I choose this profession. And when if I say if I tell about me that really when I tease the students, and when I tell anything about the topic, so that's time I feel great, and I feel so much relaxed, because this is my profession is also thing, but it is my passion.
You you feel proud. You feel
Yeah,
yourself educated. You have
yeah,
something to introduce yourself, and someone know by your teaching profession. Somebody know you by your teaching profession. So that is your name and fame. A kind, you can say
yeah.
that.
And
So you feel proud.
yeah,
I have
and
something. Yes.
yeah, and second thing, you already told that we get respect, and I think except of this job, I think there is nothing there is not do same in another job, but in this profession, in this job, there is a self respect, there is a huge respect if you get that they you don't know that people, but they know who are you, because of your name, because of your fame, and they respect, they give respect to you, and they say to hello ma'am, hello sir. So this is a thing that people they are they know you, like whenever you are going anywhere. So the parents and also children, they wishing you good morning ma'am, hello ma'am. So that is the thing, that means you are getting respect. So that is a
Yes.
really, it is the that is the thing, and it always feel too proud.
And one more thing I want to add here. Teachers' profession take lots of efforts, punctuality, and you get a chance and lots of patience. It's
Yes,
need lots of patience, and all the teachers, I like that, get chance to interact with the parents. So different kind of parents, and while sharing our knowledge, they ask many questions, and by answering that questions we know how many types of parents are there. Every parents, every children not the same. So according to their thoughts, we create, we be alert for next time. If this type of question maybe in future I have to answer, you know.
okay, thank you.
So you keep ourselves ready all the time, and it's take a lot of patience, because sometimes the teacher and parents both are aggressive nature. Sometimes it's happen. So
Yes,
principal have to enter in those matter, because both are aggressive, and by that teacher understand herself, I am right. Parents sometimes understand themselves, I am right. So who will going to solve this question? They started arguing.
no, actually, after we have a quality to resolve the things. So that means you are a good person, you are a good teacher. Like so many, you will meet a different types of parents. So
Yes.
that you told that some parents, it can be, they can be aggressive, but some parents, they are so polite and so naive.
Polite, but you know, teachers' quality is parents. If be matlab they are anger by nature. No, but
But ma'am,
teacher
yes,
have to keep patience with
yeah,
those parents and always try to keep them calm and satisfied by their answer and their
yes,
teaching.
yes.
That's the teacher's quality.
Yeah, and I think we don't need to go the principal, because if we have quality to resolve all the things, so why do we need the principal?
But you
Because
know,
we
you
are
know,
the we can give the
all the
answer.
teachers, all the teachers are not the same.